Hey everyone, DogeExplorer here for another video. I'm happy to tell you that I found a way to make a blue screen of death. Obviously, I do not recommend this to try this on an actual computer. Recommend you try it on a fake VM, which is a virtual machine, which I'm running. As you can see, this is actually where I can. I'm gonna put a series out, so for an upcoming video today actually. However, I have been on YouTube today, this evening, and I have seen a couple of videos regarding the blue screen of death. And there was one actually very inspiring to me, and I should have tried this on the Windows 8.1 operating system. However, I thought maybe Windows 7 for those nostalgic fans out there. So, I will list the two sources if you want on the video, how I discovered it and how I created the blue screen of death. Credit to the guy who made
Hi guys.
Farty McSimmons. I will I will put his link if you guys want to follow up on him. Uh anyway, let me show you. You know what? I'm going to show you this really quick and I'm going to put the video if you want in the link below. Okay, I'm going to spare you that, but I will put the video link in the description. So that's how I got inspired today. Um, so without further ado, why don't we create a blue screen? So first of all, you're going to have to go onto the run box, and you have to type Reddit regedit.exe. Um, then you're going to go to and be careful. Again, this is why I don't want you to try it on a real machine. Try on the fake machine, because if you mess something up here, it will sincerely damage your system. Although, and if you want to double check, I mean, I don't recommend this, but if by a mistake you end up ruining your virtual machine, I recommend you um, go to safe mode, and I recommend you just typing the command scan now. Obviously, I am an administrator. It's just I need to do safe mode. But without further ado, why don't we get into the video? So you're going to go to HKey local machine folder. You're going to go to System, Current Control Set. You're going to go to Services. This works on Windows 7, XP, and Vista. By the way, I think it's Windows 8.1, maybe Windows 10. I haven't tested it out in Windows 10. We're going to go to I8042 PRT. Go to parameters, um, right click, click new, and go to D word, not keyword or key, just D word. I'm gonna put this control um crash on control scroll, crash on control scroll. Well, I don't know if it's really that, but I guess it doesn't matter for the name. Uh, Go to hexadecimal and you're going to type in 1, okay? You're going to click OK, and you're going to reboot your system. Now, this shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes, especially if you have an Intel i5 or i7 processor. It doesn't matter what cores you have. Um, Anyways, the blue screen of death in a nutshell, if you are new to the channel or new to this video, it is when your computer can't take any much processes, like they're all just there's errors, everything. It's mostly if it's corrupted, basically. If your system file's corrupted, something's using too much CPU, or your computer just lags out entirely. That's what I think, at least. So, my system doesn't have a scroll lock because I have a new PC, and sadly, They don't make those anymore for new PCs. Well, at least for mine. So you're gonna have to go to your input, keyboard, softboard. You're going to go to control and then shift and then you have to press it 2 times. I think it's this way. Yes. And boom, that's your blue screen of death. I will try it on a Windows 8.1 machine. Now, again, if you really did want it, I recommend if you mess this up, and your computer is just stopped, I recommend you booting up to safe mode and running either the SFC scan now command or the SFC verify only command. Uh, as I will demonstrate this really quick. Um, However, I'm going to pause the video because this is going to take a little bit while. So, otherwise, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention this really quick. When you do your blue screen of death, do not use your left control keyboard mechanism. Use the right control button and the scroll lock. You need to press scroll lock, I think, twice. Um, Scan, verify, uh, SFC. I'm going to put scan now. Now it's going to complete the verification process, and it should I'll it should fix the corrupted software or things automatically. Anyways, have a great day. Peace.